It's just before 11 a.m. at a middle school in Barre, Vermont, when a school resource officer is waved into the principal's office, where one teacher is about to find herself in big trouble.
I'm so ashamed of myself. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm such a bad person.
No, you're not a bad person. You made an unfortunate choice. You're not a bad person.
I'm such a... No. What have I done? I need... Oh my God.
So we've got 130 seconds. I'm going to write that down.
Police identify the woman, seen here, as 47-year-old Melissa Martin, a substitute teacher who allegedly just admitted to using cocaine after faculty said a student alerted them of her odd behavior.
Oxygen is 98%. I'm sorry, what was that? 98% oxygen.
No. Oh my God, I don't know. I'm so sorry. I know. Oh my God, my family is gonna be so.
Now, so did she show up like this?
What have I done? Oh my God.
Are the kids in?
Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
Let them get into the cafeteria, and then we are going into clear the halls for the entire school. Okay? I don't know if the ambulance is there or not.
I'm already on it. You all set? Yep. I don't know. Did you guys already send
I'm
one?
going to tell you why. It's your privacy. So that the ambulance can come and make sure that you're okay. It's your privacy.
She's saying she doesn't need one right now, but
I want to go home. Oh my God.
send them anyways, and she can just decline them when they get here.
Like I have some.
Sounds good. Thank you.
No,
You leave your coat here at school.
Jacket.
And did you use it? Are you guys okay? Did you use it at
No,
Let's
please
go.
help me. No, I haven't used it at school.
So, where's her stuff?
She has cocaine in the building right now.
That's what I was curious about.
We're going.
Well, 'cause, there's no way she didn't do it here. It sets on immediately.
Melissa is taken to an ambulance, while the officer follows a staff member to the classroom, where the suspect allegedly said she had cocaine stashed in her jacket.
Where is her stuff? Is it in the classroom? Is she a teacher here? No. 575, 573. I'm not slide over here.
I don't know if it's her stuff or not. She said it's in her jacket. That's a jacket. I'm not going to touch it.
575, 573. You want to slide over here? Is this 100%
I'm
the
not.
right room?
It might not be. Just let me call.
I can have the canine come over and just do a sniff. Right room.
That's 100% her stuff.
Hey, you want to slide over to the school and bring the code in? Teacher brought cocaine to school and is high right now. Yeah, I probably need to do a sniff on her stuff to take it. It's a chick and she's like visibly high. Like, she's in Erica Pearson's office, like tweaking right now. I'm in the classroom where supposedly she had the coke. I mean, she has it here. She didn't show up high. Like, she is like tweaking right now. But,
She told me it's in here.
yeah, I'm
That's
sure.
enough for me to do it, right? Because I'm school.
I don't know about your policies, but legal standard. I mean, we'll probably charge her with something if.
Okay.
I mean, I'm sure she has something. If she has something, we'll probably charge her. So we'll just wait until we ever see her with her dog and want the dog around it. I mean, I can also go ask her if she'll let us search. But
Next, a canine officer arrives to sniff out any potential drugs.
say,
Train drugs in here before.
The canine officer heads right to the desk area and signals that an odor of narcotics was detected, according to a police report.
Sorry.
Jesus, let go. Have some manners.
She loves to
Do you want to pull the backpack though and see if she hits on the coat too? She had said it's in the coat.
She told us
Dakota.
it was in the pocket.
That's right in the same spot. I mean,
And I think just based on her saying it's in the coat.
Odor's there anyway.
Okay, we'll just see all of her stuff then. She'll probably consent to it, but the essays, yeah, the essays want us to Mirandize her too. Did she tell you guys where she used, if it was the car in the building?
She ended up telling us, I mean, she tried to tell she told the EMTs again that she used it this morning, and he was like,
There's no way.
no, when? And she just said, I don't know. And then he said, how much? She said, I don't know. But she said, I just kept putting it on my tongue. So she was rubbing it in the gums and her tongue.
Okay. I just wanted to make sure it wasn't like in a bathroom somewhere and then in the trash.
Well, or right here, she's just.
Yeah. It's kind of unbelievable that somebody
Yeah, I guess so.
had that nerve.
Stop
but-
it.
She did a good job. What was that? 35 seconds?
Oh, the students did? How did it come into you
She's
guys?
quick with it. She's always.
Students
She knows when
watching,
she's
hey,
working. It's
and
like
something
it's
was
just
reported,
like,
No, that
and
was quick.
I
It was quick.
was face to face with Melissa, and I'm like, something's off, and I got
And then I looked at her and said, what did you do?
yeah,
Yeah.
because
So the students, they weren't already out to recess at that point?
No, an 8th grade student
No.
on his way stopped in.
No.
He was getting ready, they were getting ready to go, and he literally said she's high. But he also comes from a background in which he would be able to identify that.
Okay.
yeah,
That's wild.
isn't it?
And then when I saw her, it was
Oh,
obvious.
it's completely obvious.
Yeah.
And I knew that it wasn't. Actually, I kind of thought maybe she had taken meth, to be honest with you. But,
Yeah. Meth and coke are pretty similar, both stimulants.
No.
so,
Enough.
all right.
She's like,
Well, thank
"Dad."
you guys.
Yeah, well, we'll head up to the hospital and we'll deal with her. And yeah.
Thank you.
No.
We will probably wait till you guys get outside before we lift and clear the hall so that you guys can walk
Okay.
through.
Yeah.
You heard that right. A staff member said an 8th grade student told faculty that the substitute teacher was high before staff intervened. Next, one officer meets Melissa at the hospital, where she's not exactly calming down.
Which room is the teacher in who's brought in that's high? The teacher who's
B0.
high. B0?
B0.
Thank you.
Yep.
It's over here, isn't it?
Oh, great. No, it's around the corner here.
Oh, awesome.
There you go.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Melissa, other than cocaine, have you used any other substances? Are you snorting or injecting?
Snorted. It's on my tongue.
Okay.
My boyfriend and I fighting. And he's like a narcissist. And I stayed up all night looking for an apartment.
How much cocaine do you think you're using every day? Not sure.
I should never tried it ever. Tony is. It just numbs the pain. I'm worried about my kids. Sorry.
It's okay.
I'm sorry. I don't want to hurt anybody. I don't want to let every. I can't look at my parents. I can't look at anybody. I'm so ashamed.
So Melissa, I'm here for our aspect of this and our investigation into this, obviously. So I do have a couple of questions for you based on that. So what exactly happened today? Will you tell me?
This sticking my finger and dabbing it in cocaine, staying awake during the night, looking for an apartment.
So I overheard you talking with a doctor. You said you were fighting with your boyfriend and up all night last night, so you were trying to stay awake today at school. Is that what was happening?
Yeah, well, yeah.
Okay.
No, I'm tired.
Okay. And when at school, and where in the school were you using the cocaine?
I didn't use it at the school,
Uh-huh.
in the school.
Well, I'm gonna be honest with
I
you.
had it in my pocket, in my jacket.
Well, your jacket was in the school.
Right.
So,
I
Melissa,
wore my jacket into the school, but I didn't do any at school.
so there's still some in your jacket pocket?
It's, yeah,
Okay.
well, that's where.
So, Melissa, I've been in law enforcement for a little while, and I've been around people who have used drugs for a while. I know cocaine hits you pretty quickly, and I know it usually wears off in a couple hours. It was around 11 o'clock when this happened. So if you showed up today at 8 o'clock, which is the normal start time for the school, you wouldn't be visibly high right now if you hadn't used at the school.
I swear to God, I
So
did not
my,
use at the school.
my assumption is the kids went out for a recess and lunch, and that's when it would have happened. Is that true?
No, they had, the 8th grade came in and one of the boys said, Miss Melissa's high, or left it. No, a girl came back into the room and she goes,
Why are you
"So-"
twitching your feet like that? Can you try to stop doing that? Okay.
My legs go all the time.
So you said one of the 8th graders came into the room, or did they see you out in the hallway?
No, I had that class. I was teaching that class. And one of the girls that was in the class came back into the classroom and she's like, so-and-so, the student's name, she said he's a little snitch. And I said, what are we talking about? And she goes, he's saying that you're high. And I was like, what? And I'm guessing he's probably saying it because my feet and my legs go. I can't stop it. It does it when I'm not on anything.
Okay.
I can't.
So what time would you say you used cocaine this morning?
I used it before I got to school.
Before you got to school?
Yeah.
Okay, like out in your
Like-
car, out at home, where'd you use it?
No, like, I had used it in my car before I got to school.
Is there any in your car?
No.
So you used it in your car and then you brought what you had left into the school?
Well, because I had it in my jacket pocket.
Okay.
And I had my jacket on, and I wore my jacket into the school, and
Okay. Where'd you get the cocaine from?
I found it.
You found it. Where'd you find it?
I don't want to discuss it. I'd like to not talk anymore.
Okay. All right, that's fine. So you don't have to talk other than answering this question. Frankly, you don't have to answer it. We're going to proceed irregardless. So where we're at right now is we brought a canine into that classroom. We ran the canine around your stuff. The canine hit on both your backpack and your jacket. So you can either consent to us searching your jacket and your backpack, or what's going to happen is we're going to take them back to the police department. We're going to write a search warrant, and a judge will make a determination as to whether or not to grant that search warrant for the backpack and the jacket.
You can search my backpack. There's nothing in it.
Okay, and can I search the jacket too? Okay.
Melissa gives the officer consent to search her belongings when he quickly finds a baggie of suspected cocaine in her jacket pocket. Investigators later tested the substance.
I think it couldn't get any more clear than that.
That indicated a presumptive positive for the presence of cocaine, according to police.
What are they gonna do to me? What's gonna happen
So,
I'm upside down.
Melissa.
I don't want to go to jail.
Melissa, you're here for help. The hospital's going to help you. So, based on the...
I'm sorry.
You're okay. It's okay.
I'm scared.
So you're not going to jail right now. You're going to stay here. I'm going to walk out the door in a couple minutes. So you're here to get help first. You taking care of yourself is the priority. Melissa, that's for the best. If you're going through some stuff, you want some you want to get help.
I can't barely look at you. I feel like such a piece of shit.
What do you say?
I thought somebody was already in here. Did they get it?
She came in for just a minute, and I'll be out of here in like 2 seconds. She just told me to grab her. I just need to drop paper on her.
Oh, no worries. Okay. Do you want help sitting up more?
I'm sorry. I'm overwhelmed.
Do you guys have any rubber gloves I can toss this out?
I'm overwhelmed.
So, Melissa, I'm just gonna issue this to you, and then I'm gonna get out of here. Okay? Is there anyone you want me to contact for you? Just let them. Okay, I wasn't sure if you had like family or something you wanted to.
I don't want to face my.
No, that's totally fine. I just wanted to make sure that you didn't want somebody to know you were up here. Because I can do that for you if you need. But so
We
what?
can also do it like later in a few hours or whatever.
Yeah.
Whenever. It's up to you when. It's pretty much up to
I'm not all messed up. Like this is a panic that's coming out. Like my legs are in panic.
So Melissa, what this is the citation to court right here. It's going to be for next Thursday at 8:30 in the morning. You're going to be charged with reckless endangerment and cocaine possession. So, at the time of it, you're going to show up.
Reckless endangerment?
Reckless endangerment, and for bringing drugs into a school is what that is. It's reckless because if a kid gets possession of those drugs, the kid could have serious health complications for that. And the drugs were left unattended in the classroom. So that was the reckless nature of it. So if you don't show up at that time and date, there will be a warrant for your arrest. You do understand that? Okay, will you sign acknowledging that you understand that? Okay.
Oh my god. Wait, what date is it?
Next Thursday, October 9th.
Melissa was not taken into custody, but instead issued a citation for reckless endangerment and cocaine possession. At last check, she reportedly pleaded not guilty to the charges and is expected back in court later this year.
Something tells me she's not going to be substituting here again.
No.
Probably not anywhere.
No.
Yeah.